Hello guys! It's me, Karl Espinosa po muli. And ngayon po sa video na to, pag-uusapan po natin is all about expecting God's restoration this year of 2021. So, alam ko po na last year, 2020, marami pong mga plano na naudlot, maraming mga pangarap na hindi agad na nakuha, marami din pong mga goals na naging malabo for a lot of people last year, but this year, ngayong bagong taon po, I want to share to you that we have to expect God's restoration for this year of 2021. Apo, hindi po tayo kumbaga magi-stop or matatapos na doon sa mga experiences natin sa taong 2020 na sobrang napaka-challenging talaga. But in this year of 2021, we have to expect of God's restoration. Ano man po yung nawala sa atin last year, during pandemic, nawalan man tayo ng trabaho, nawalan man tayo ng negosyo, nawalan man tayo ng kung ano pa man last year. But this year, we have to expect that everything na nawala sa atin, it will all be restored. It will all be restored by God to us this year of 2021. And kailangan po nating panindigan, kumbaga, i-mindset na natin yung sarili natin, ihanda natin ang puso natin, ihanda natin ang lahat for this year of 2021 for the great restoration na nagagawin sa atin ni God. And ito po yung mga bagay na kailangan nating maintindihan all about God's restoration. Kasi sa physical po kasi tayong mga tao, when we say na magre-restore tayo, yung the way we restore tayong mga tao, kapag merong nasira and ni-restore natin yung quality niya and yung quantity na hindi na kasing ganda at hindi na kasing dami nung original, diba? Ibig sabihin, kung tayong mga tao ang magre-restore ng isang bagay, it's always less than the original. Diba? Yun yung concept natin of restoration. But in God's way of restoration, yung kailangan nating i-expect kay God na restoration na gagawin niya this year of 2021 is iba. Kasi yung restoration niya, it's always greater in quantity and greater in quality or both, 'di ba? Laging ganon yung restoration na gustong ibigay sa atin ni God. And the first place na kailangan nating gawin is we have to expect it, 'di ba? Kailangan nating baguhin yung isip natin na eto 2021 na pero hindi pa tapos yung pandemic, marami pang challenges. But no, we have to think that this year of 2020 magiging iba. Kasi lahat ng nawala ibabalik niya at hindi niya ibabalik in lesser quantity, in lesser quality, but in great quantity or great quality or both. 'Di ba? Hindi mo kasi pwedeng gawing end kasi may mga bagay na hindi pwedeng kapag ni-restore kapag ni-restore both quality and quantity yung i-restore, 'di ba? Ano yung great example niyan? For example, halimbawa, last year, 2020, nakipag-break up ka. Diba? Nagkaroon ng break up. Yung restoration, kapag sinabi mo, more, diba? More quantity, ibig sabihin, this year of 2021, instead of 1, you will have 7 relationship. Diba? Hindi naman pwede. Kaya, sometimes, it's more quality or more quantity or sometimes both. Diba? Yun yung restoration na kailangan nating i-expect this year of 2021. And this year of 2021, kailangan talagang una pa lang i-set na natin yung isip natin, i-set na natin yung puso natin that a great restoration, a great nourishment ay mangyayari sa taon na ito. Kasi 'di ba? Sabi nga, when we ask, 'di ba? When we pray, believe that you receive it and you shall have them. So if we want to have a great restoration na mangyari this year of 2021. Kung ano man yung mga nawala sa atin last year, kung gusto nating maibalik yon at maibalik yon na mas marami, mas maganda, ngayon pa lang, kailangan natin siyang i-receive, di ba? So, when we pray, believe that we receive it and we shall have them. So, that's all about God's restoration. That's all about God's restoration. And yun po yung kailangan nating i-expect this year of 2021. So, that's all po for this video. Thank you so much po sa inyong panunood. And God bless you all. God keep you. Be safe and bye-bye.